Hey, you are watching AliAziz YouTube channel.
Gross sample receiving. AliAziz Quality Education YouTube channel provided you the medical related topics videos. So don't forget the subscription button. In the meticulous world of pathology and laboratory science, the process of gross sample receiving marks the crucial first step in diagnosing diseases and guiding patient care. This stage involves the initial handling and examination of specimens, ensuring they are appropriately prepared for detailed analysis. While it may seem routine, gross sample receiving is a task that demands precision, care, and a deep sense of responsibility. This article delves into the importance, procedures, and human aspects of gross sample receiving, shedding light on its role in the broader context of medical diagnostics. The importance of gross sample receiving. Gross sample receiving is the foundational phase where biological specimens are accepted, documented, and prepared for further examination. The accuracy and thoroughness of this process directly impact the quality of diagnostic results. Here's why it is so essential. Ensuring accuracy, proper handling and documentation during gross sample receiving ensure that each specimen is accurately identified and linked to the correct patient. This is vital for avoiding mix-ups and ensuring precise diagnoses. 2. Quality control. Initial assessment and preparation of the samples help maintain the integrity of the specimens, preventing contamination and degradation. This quality control is critical for obtaining reliable and reproducible results. 4. Efficient workflow. A well-organized receiving process streamlines the workflow, ensuring that samples are promptly processed and analyzed. This efficiency is crucial in delivering timely diagnoses and treatment plans. The process of gross sample receiving. The process of gross sample receiving typically involves several key steps, each carried out with meticulous attention to detail. Receipt and documentation. Upon arrival at the laboratory, specimens are carefully checked against accompanying paperwork to verify patient details and the nature of the sample. This includes ensuring that all required information is present and correct. 2. Visual inspection. The sample is visually inspected to assess its condition. Any discrepancies or potential issues, such as damage or contamination, are noted and addressed immediately. 3. Labeling. Each specimen is labeled with a unique identifier, often a barcode, to ensure traceability throughout the analysis process. Accurate labeling is critical to prevent mix-ups and ensure that results are linked to the correct patient. 4. Initial processing. Depending on the type of specimen, initial processing steps may include fixation, to preserve the tissue, sectioning, and staining. These steps prepare the sample for detailed microscopic examination. 5. Documentation and storage. Detailed records are maintained for each specimen, documenting its receipt, processing, and storage. Proper documentation ensures a clear audit trail and facilitates efficient retrieval and review of samples. The human touch in gross sample receiving. While technology and protocols play a significant role in gross sample receiving, the human element remains central to its success. The individuals handling these specimens bring a combination of technical skills and a deep sense of responsibility to their work. Their attention to detail, adherence to protocols, and ability to identify potential issues are crucial for maintaining the integrity of the process. Furthermore, understanding the human impact of their work adds an extra layer of dedication. Each sample represents a person awaiting answers, a family hoping for clarity, and a medical team relying on accurate information to provide care. This awareness fosters a culture of respect and diligence, ensuring that every specimen is handled with the utmost care. Challenges and solutions. the process of gross sample receiving is not without its challenges. These can include handling a high volume of specimens, managing complex cases, and ensuring consistent adherence to protocols. Addressing these challenges requires training and education. Continuous training ensures that staff are knowledgeable about the latest protocols and best practices, maintaining high standards of accuracy and care. Quality assurance. Implementing robust quality assurance measures helps identify and rectify issues promptly, ensuring the reliability of the receiving process. Technology integration. Leveraging technology, such as digital tracking systems and automated documentation, enhances efficiency and reduces the risk of human error. Conclusion. Gross sample receiving is a vital step in the diagnostic journey, laying the groundwork for accurate and timely medical diagnoses. Through careful handling, meticulous documentation, and a deep sense of responsibility, laboratory professionals ensure that each specimen is prepared for the detailed analyses that follow. By recognizing the importance of this process and the human touch that underpins it, we can appreciate the critical role it plays in advancing medical science and patient care.